I think it goes without saying, but from the Daisy nominations received the month of June, the winner is Max. So Max, congratulations.
Get in the camera.
Family, please, if y'all want to come. So we brought your family in, your dad, your wife, your son. He has received 4 nominations all during this month of June. And here are the nominations, and I'm going to read what has been written by those that came forward with the Daisy nomination. The first nomination. My mother was a patient at Lewis and Peaches Owen Heart Hospital at Trinity Mother Frances. She needed open heart bypass surgery instead of robotic bypass surgery. Max went over and beyond patient care and explained procedures and recovery processes and answered all of her questions, and mine too, to help her make an informed decision and an educated decision. His bedside manner was impeccable. His compassion for my mother was very heartwarming. His ability and willingness to explain and answer questions gave my mother the knowledge she needed to make the decision to save her life and for us and our mama and granny to live a little while longer. Everyone in my family thanks him from the bottom of our hearts. I believe God used this young man. He was the right place, the right time. I know without the divine intervention, my mother have never agreed on this kind of surgery. The phrase of this life-changing event for my family is, Max gets the medal. I would like to add that overall, the staff at Trinity Mother Frances is an awesome group, including where we started in Jacksonville Emergency Care Center. Thank you so much. And that family member's initials is SJ. Now, nomination 2. Max treated me with dignity and respect. He stayed busy the entire time I was there. I thought he represented the hospital well and to his patients. It was easy to see he enjoyed his job. I felt at ease asking him when I needed something. That was from patient SJW. The third nomination. Max was always very gentle and caring. He never made me wait long while I needed help or answers. He is very knowledgeable and was able to explain procedures and give good patient teaching. His bedside manner is good, great, awesome, and it's outstanding. I did not want to have surgery and was bound and determined I was not going to. If it had not been for this young man's kindness, compassion, and explanations of procedures, I would not have done it. Having the surgery gave me another chance at life. He is top-notch in my book and deserves the Daisy Award. That was by patient SB. And still a 4th nomination. My husband was recently diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. I was heartsick when the physician told me my husband had only 3 to 6 months to live. I sat in my husband's room and I could not stop crying. Then Max came in. He sat with me and we talked about a lot of things that helped me at this time. I needed that more than anything else. His listening was so healing. I think he's a superb registered nurse. If hospitals had more nurses like him, patients would feel better about their stay. I think he is remarkable. And from family member BF. To add on that, I have to add that people have come to me, even in my neighborhood, that has an outreach for this facility, works for this facility, and says that Max's name has come out from long distances away, even from Jacksonville and Palestine. So his name has actually traveled very far. And even watching Max, I mean, we love our job, but Max loves his job so much that I caught him in a patient's room rubbing a patient's feet for a long while. And it's not so much that he was just rubbing their feet. There was 8 family members standing around watching him rub her feet. So Max does a great job, and I don't know if he's rubbing your feet, but maybe he needs to bring that home. So anyway, I'm just saying that he does go above and beyond, and these are words that other people wrote, but even from my standpoint, I mean, I witness this on a daily aspect from him. So now it's my pleasure on behalf of the Daisy Foundation to proclaim you, Max Covert, the Daisy Award Extraordinary Nurse. Your award certificate is as follows. The Daisy Award for Extraordinary Nurses is presented to Maximilian Covert, BSN RN, in deep appreciation to all you do, to who you are, and the incredible meaningful difference you make in the lives of so many people. And again. I don't know if you want to do the Daisy pin.
Sure.
And that's going to be presented by his mother. There was a fighting contest as to who's going to present that. He has a lot of loving family. And you're his, I assume, a golf buddy. So now you have some ammo for Max out on the golf course also. One last thing is the sculpture, the Healer's Touch sculpture, be presented to Max. Beautiful sculpture. And then as team nursing goes, being a team effort, we all get to share with, I guess, bragging rights to have the poster hung in our unit for the next month. And like I said, bragging rights, and again, team effort, and I think Max is a good part of that team. And I want to continue by reading. By definition, the Daisy Foundation thanks all their nurses are extraordinary, and we wish that all the resources to honor all of you individually. Nurses who receive the Daisy Award often say, "Everyone in the unit deserves this award as much as I do," or "Don't deserve this, I was just doing my job." The Daisy nurse may not realize, however, that when nurses are just doing their jobs, they have such an important and meaningful impact on the lives of so many people, many more than just their patients. At every Daisy Award presentation, we ask each nurse to pause for just a minute and realize how very special they are and how they make the world a better place by just doing their jobs. Today, a nurse's job entails many things, but no matter what the day brings, a nurse's impact is invaluable and long-lasting to their patients and families. Thanks to your education and training, your commitment and judgment, your compassion and connection with your patients, you are very special. We make the world such a better place by just doing our job. The skill and compassion we bring to patient care makes the patient's outcome more positive and makes a family member feel a little better so they are better able to help with the patient's healing. Think about the impact that all of us nurses actually contribute. Story after story brings this to light. I would encourage you to look at the National Daisy website and read the stories. The link is on Nursing Public. Prior to our closing prayer, I want to give special thanks to those that nominated Max. And this award does not happen unless you take the time to write these nominations. It means a great deal and they care enough to Max to do this. Thank you for choosing nursing as a career, Max, and all, and for the skill, care, and compassion we give to the patients every day. And Max, congratulations again. And now, before we enjoy our cinnamon rolls, on behalf of Max, Pastoral Care is going to help us, Sister Irene, if you please.